Shit.
Okay, okay. Good morning, everyone. Yon, thank you so much, Miss Weng. I'm so excited and so happy na talagang you give your way para alam mo yon makapag-participate dito po sa atin na na training for today. So tayo po ay Success Educational Training. So I'm so excited for the how many are we right now? 33 na po tayo in the house.
Yay,
So it's a good
33.
start. Yes po. And
3-3.
yes, we are so excited because this will be our first time, actually second time to be conducting the Success Educational Training. Though medyo matagal-tagal na rin po yung tribe natin. Actually, we started the Movers and Shakers tribe way back nung nag-pandemic, which is March po. And then ngayon po is November coming December na. So this Success Educational Training is brought to you by Movers and Shakers Tribe. We do have a lot of tribe po, ibig sabihin mga grupo po ito ng iba't ibang mga leaders, and we do have a lot of tribe po na belong sa group. And I would like to say hi po sa lahat ng mga bago na nakikinig po sa atin ngayon. So just to give you an idea kung sino po ba kami, para mas makilala niyo po kami. My name is Cheryl Bautista, and of course, you have known my business partner and husband, Mr. Elvin Bautista. We called ourselves as a success coach. We are based here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So shout out po sa mga taga Dubai. So, and of course, our mantra is always to live your best life. So, yan po. So, maganda pong mantra natin yan. Sino po ba kami? As I told you, I am a mom of 2 kids. And of course, I'm a wife to Elvin Bautista. We are expat here in the Middle East, OFW po. We've been here since 2004. So, imagine niyo 16 years na po kami sa Dubai. And I'm proud to be the Success Community Wisdom Broker. And under po tayo ng Movers and Shakers tribe. So I'm so proud. And aside from that, being an OFW po, we do have some businesses also here in Dubai. Aside from us being an employee, we are also a Sapphire manager in Forever Living. And of course, we are a life influencer. We are also a real estate state broker ng SMDC po, international branch dito po sa Dubai, a traveler and a success coach. So na-achieve po namin ito because of this amazing mindset na naituro po sa amin later on ng ating mentor. I will be telling you. Okay. So may tanong po ako sa inyong lahat. Kumusta po ang buhay nyo ngayong pandemic? Can I see your chat po? Okay po ba kayo? Can you chat? Can I see your chat po? I think I do need to sa aking presentation. Can you hear me well? Okay naman po. Ayun. So tingnan ko lang po ang chat ninyo. Okay, okay naman po, safe ang family kay Mr. Bernie. Okay naman po from Ma'am Juanita. Lalong gumaganda si Ma'am Tres. Okay, okay na okay si Ma'am Joanne. And perfect from Miss Loriza. Grateful from Ma'am Stella. Okay po. God's grace from Miss Faith. Wow, tumataba daw si Mr. Victor. So I'm so happy na lahat po ng mga sinasabi ninyo is more on positive because as of today po marami talaga sa mga kababayan natin ang medyo struggle financially, emotionally, and physically because of the pandemic. And I'm so glad with this success community people, tayo po ay okay na okay. So yon. So doing great, grateful po, and be safe. So, moving forward, salamat po sa inyong participation. Okay. Tanong din po ito ng bayan. Okay, tanong natin to. Ikaw ba isa sa mga tao na ito natanggal sa kumpanya o nawala ng trabaho? Siguro po, not all, but siguro po may mga kakilala tayo na ganito yung status ngayon sa kanilang estado ngayon, sa kanilang buhay. Humina ba ang kita ng business o nagsara ang negosyo? nalulungkot sa kaganapang nangyayari sa ngayon sa mundo, kailangan ng positivity at encouragement upang ipagpatuloy ang buhay sa kabila ng pandemya. Gustong makatulong sa sarili, sa kanyang pamilya at sa ibang tao na makaahon sa pagsubok sa buhay. Ang sagot niyo po ba dito ay yes or ano po ba ang nararamdaman ninyo? Isa ka po ba sa mga nabanggit ko? Can we see chat? Sorry, hindi ko nakikita. Ayun. So ito, nakita ko na. Yun, natanggal sa work. I'm sorry to hear. Natanggal sa work? Nope. Okay, thank you. At least po may mga work pa kayo. So most of the people then na hopefully hindi nga sa success natin or kung meron tayong kakilala, ang nangyayari po talaga ngayon ay medyo nada-down po tayo emotionally and physically. And syempre po because of the status. But ano pong kailangan lang gawin? We need to move on. Moving forward, when you are part of the community that we are involved right now, ito po ang isa sa mga tanong din natin. Would you like to be coached and trained by real millionaires and billionaires from all over the world? Gusto niyo po ba 'yon? Hindi po ito mga hype na real millionaires and billionaires ha. Talaga po itong mga trainers po natin dito po sa ating grupo or sa mastermind natin or sa success community is mga real millionaires and billionaires all over the world. Would you like to become a certified life coach, mentor, and speaker and help fellow Filipinos all over the world to rise up? Kayo po ba ito? Yes na yes daw kay Sir Enrico. Yes na yes daw kay Ma'am Stella. Kay Ma'am Virgie, yes, I want to be trained. Amazing. Would you like to be a channel of blessing and spread positivity, happiness, and love across the globe? Sabi no, if we will be a channel of blessings to other people, siguro po mas ma-uplift po natin talaga ang buhay ng bawat isa. So I'm so happy na ang dami pong yes, 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 yes. So, would you like to have an additional income and earn on the internet without ever leaving your home? Answer po ba is yes? Thank you so much, Sir Miss Agda Yalogo. Yes na yes. Okay, thank you for your participation. So, if your answer for these questions that I mentioned a while ago are yes, 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 so talaga po, it's time for a change. At ano po yung change na sinasabi natin? Ito po yung ating grupo, which is called the Success Community. So welcome aboard, welcome to Success Community. Sino po ba si Success Community? Si Success Community po is the fastest growing online self-improvement and mastermind group in the world. In the world po, because we are already global. As we shout out a while ago, we have team from, of course, Middle East. We have from Abu Dhabi, UAE per se. We have from Korea. I saw someone in in Saudi Arabia. We do have in Singapore, and of course Philippines. We have a lot of teammates coming from the USA, and one of our big teams really is from the USA. Hopefully they can come later on. So we are talaga po is global na yung success community. So what is the purpose of the success community? The purpose of the success community is to become a one-stop shop applications na nagpo-provide po ng wisdom and mga trainings, business trainings para po sa mga mga entrepreneurs at mga members po ng grupo natin. So nag-spearheaded po ng success community is walang iba kundi yung naging mentor namin. In 2009, imagine, we've been here in Dubai since 2004 and the very good news is we met yung pong mentor natin na nag-spearheaded po ng Success Community who is Sir John Calub. Si Sir John Calub ang number 1 success coach and motivational speaker and nagtuturo na po siya 14 years na po. And nagkaroon po siya ng realization na bakit hindi ko pagsamasamahin or hindi ako magkaroon ng mastermind group community na na mag-cater sa lahat ng mga naging estudyante niya, sa lahat ng mga tao na gustong magkaroon ng positive impact ang kanilang buhay. So I'm so proud na naging mentor po namin si Sir John Calub since 2009. So 11 years na po kami. We've been mentor 2009 at we are so grateful. So kung tatanungin niyo po kami, may mangyayari ba sa amin sa Success Community? Success Community just launched yung global na po only this pandemic, March of 2020. But 3 years ago po, nagkaroon na po ng conceptualization. And we are so happy na part po kami ng masterminding group na binuo ni Sir John Calub in 2017 kasi na-rekindle po yung aming communication only in 2017. Imagine, 2009 naging estudyante niya kami, and then lahat ng tinuturo niya inaccept namin, inabsorb namin. And then 2017 nag-cross ulit ang landas namin. So hindi po siguro siya accident because there's a purpose. Kaya po nandito kami ngayon sa Success Community to give you an inspiration and to tell you that whatever surgeon is telling, it's true po. Just to give you an overview, ano po ba yung nangyari sa amin nung nung na-train po kami or naging estudyante po kami ni Sir Jan in 2009. Because of the trainings ng Success Community at ng Money Magnet na tinuturo po ni Sir Jan, we believe in the vision board. Kung mapapansin niyo po, yan po yung mga vision board namin. And 80% to 90% po niyan is done na po. Because po ng mga teaching ni Sir Jan, yung buhay po talaga namin is nabago sa aming pong pamilya, and of course with sa buong family po namin. Ano po yung mga na-achieve na namin because of ano po yung nagawa na namin. Nagtrabaho po kami sa Dubai being an OFW. Nagkaroon din po kami ng mga side hustles. Nagkaroon po kami ng iba't ibang negosyo at iba't ibang multiple sources and income. But because of the trainings na in-apply namin because of Sir John, we do have already our house. We call it mansion in the Philippines because what we put is action po talaga. So ito yung house namin sa Pilipinas. We want it to be minimalist, and we want it to yung personalized po talaga. So pati yung bathtub, yung pangarap ko rin po na magkaroon ng jacuzzi. Meron na rin po kami. This is in Batangas. So lahat ng mga sinasabi namin, lahat ng lagay namin sa dream board namin, unti-unti namin yung tinutupad because we are guided na mga turo talaga ni Sir John since 2009. And aside from that, we traveled around the world. We are one of the top leaders din sa aming community in Forever Living. But because of the turo po yan din sa amin ni Sir John. We've been to different places. Imagine that. We've been to Hong Kong. We've traveled to Italy. We've been to Singapore. Okay? Yan po yung mga travel namin with family. We've been to South Africa, Johannesburg, and mind you, nakuha po namin yan ng libre dahil tinrabaho namin. We've been to Cape Town, and we've been to USA. Imagine. Kung napansin niyo po kanina later, or siguro nakita niyo kanina yung dream board namin. Yung isa sa mga nakalagay sa dream board namin is to have the 10 years multiple visa sa USA. Nandoon na siya, hindi pa kami nagpapa-interview sa sa embassy dito sa Dubai, sa USA, nakalagay na po 'yan. And thank God because my mindset talaga, yung aking pinapangarap talaga, together with my husband, Elvin, ay makapag-celebrate ako ng 40th birthday ko sa USA. 'Di ba? Nakakatuwa. And because of that, nagkaroon po kami, na-attract namin, nakuha namin ng 10 years multiple visa sa USA. I celebrated my birthday, 40th birthday, 1978 din ako, Miss Weng. Thank you so much. 1978 din ako, from 40 years old, nag-celebrate po ako sa USA. And then we've been to Dallas, Texas. So eto po lahat ay manifestation na po ng turo po ni Sir John. Ang pangarap din po namin to travel po sa Paris, na ano rin po namin, na-achieve din po namin. We've been to Sweden last year po. And then because of pandemics, throwback na lang po muna kami ngayon because di rin po kami makaalis ng bansa. So it's all because nagpunta rin po ang family namin sa Georgia, and we want to travel around the world. Mga recognitions namin, we've been recognized sa lahat po ng field na inano namin, na aming gina-joinan because we are mindseted po talaga because of Surgeon Calub, because of this community talaga na we are so happy na we've been part of it since 2009. Yung kumbaga naging estudyante kami ni Surgeon since 2000 kasi po manifestations na po. We've been awarded sa stage sa aming Forever Living, we've been awarded sa aming pong success community sa aming sa real estate, and then we are now one of the top 14 sa Wisdom Broker po in Success Community. So I'm so happy and grateful because of the person na nag-spearheaded po ng Success Community, and welcome po sa inyong lahat kasi kayo po ay part na, or sino po na sa mga nakikinig sa atin ay part na ng Success Community. So yung pong mga achievement namin at makukuha pa namin is because ng mga turo niya, and ito pong lahat ay para po ma-inspire kayo to do more also in our business, which is now the Success Community. So sino po ba ang ating mentor? Ito rin po yung mga na-achieve na namin ng mga cars namin, and also we invested na rin po sa mga properties and condominiums in the Philippines. In Dubai po, my husband is driving his Camaro, and in the Philippines is that. So kumbaga nandoon na po kami sa realization ng aming dreams, but we are not stopping po kasi nag-uumpisa pa lang po tayo, especially right now na sobrang dami pa ulit pong nadagdag sa knowledge namin because of the Success Community. So sino po yung mentor natin? Please watch this one so that you will be having an idea sino po ang nagturo sa amin na ma-achieve ang mga na-achieve na-achieve namin at magiging achievement pa namin soon. Walang iba po kundi si Sir John Calub. Siya po yung CEO and founder ng Success Community. Please watch po.
At ito po na natin. Okay? Ang po na natin yung galing natin. Sino dito naniniwala na magaling siya? Sige nga, type nyo nga dyan, magaling ako. Yes, yan yung gagamitin natin. And yan yung i-develop, i-unleash natin. Kasi pag nalabas ko yung galing ninyo, nobody can stop us. Di ba? And how are we going to release the greatness in you? The power of masterminding. Yan. So nakuha nyo yung power na gagawin natin?
And the next recipient for a Media Communications Excellence for Forbes Magazine, John Anthony Pin.
John Calub is the Philippines' #1 success coach and the most in-demand motivational speaker. A self-made multimillionaire, John is committed to share the secrets of his success through training.
Through the business workshops, trainings, and seminars that I've conducted over the years, I have been able to help thousands upon thousands of Filipinos become millionaires and become successful in different areas of their life.
Handa ka na ba?
Grabe no, grabe po ang ating mentor dito. Handa na po ba kayo? Siya po yung ating success mentor here at siya po yung nag-spearheaded ng ating community which is called the Success Community. Ma-imagine niyo po, si Sir John Calub, he's been in the business of training since 14 years ago. And right now, nag-conduct po siya at nag-develop ng success community. And we are so proud talaga na siya po yung magme-mentor sa atin. At hindi lang po siya, hindi lang po today or last pandemics na nagkapag-produce po siya ng millionaires and billionaires around the world. Kami po ay patunay na sa mga tinuturo niya, nagkaroon po ng manifestations. Lahat po ng gusto namin sa buhay. So, be proud of the chairmans. Meet po natin ang chairman of the board ng ating pong success community. You have heard it from the Sir John Anthony Calub. Siya po yung ating CEO ng success community. And mga partner po niya is si Mr. Mike Moranan, one of the businessman po from Batangas also. He owns 12 companies and more on into logistics po siya. Meet also our internet genius, si Carl Ocab, na na-feature din po siya as one of the richest kid po with regard millennial millionaires through the internet marketing, si Carl Ocab. Isa po yan sa mga partner natin. And we do have a lot of mga angel investors, and we are so proud dahil isa rin po kami sa angel investors na na-offer ni Sir John once na nagkaroon na po ng ng success community. So isa rin po kami sa part owner, angel investor po ang tawag sa amin, because the main chairman and the board of directors po is sila po na tatlo. So meet po natin sila so that we will be having a confidence sa ating pong company. We will be confident to tell people na hindi ang ating pong company, which is the success community, ang ating pong grupo is headed by real millionaires in the world, in the Philippines or in the world right now. So eto po yung mga nag-train po kay Sir John, and we are so happy and proud because whatever na knowledge or natutunan or wisdom na natutunan ni Sir John, ibinababa po niya talaga sa atin. Kung committed po tayo to learn, mas committed po si Sir John. And as you can see sa lahat po na nag-join, he's always doing the training, he's always been generous in giving us time para po mai-apply natin at para po matulungan natin. Makatulong din po siya sa mga tao, especially sa mga Filipinos all over the world. So, ilan lang po yan sa mga nag-train kay Sir John, but one of the person po talaga na tinitingala niya is si Mr. Jack Canfield. Siya po yung nag-open na lahat ng possibilities. Okay po, sa lahat po ng mga can I ask po to mute? Yan, to mute your speaker. Ayun, na-mute ko na po yung iba. Just to continue po, so ano po ba ang vision? Why Sir John put po yung natin, yung success community, yung ating masterminding group? Pag sinabi pong masterminding, ito po ay group ng mga tao na nagsasama-sama, masterminding group po ng mga like-minded people na nagtutulungan, okay? Na nagtutulungan to uplift the life of the people, to counsel everyone. Hindi po tayo naghihilahan pababa, but nagtutulungan po tayo so that everyone will achieve their success in life. So ang main vision po ni Sir John is to help decrease poverty around the world by creating a system for success using the latest cutting-edge technology that will support and nurture any individual in his or her journey to become successful in business and in all areas of life. Yun po ito po ang vision at ito po yung nagre-resonate sa amin. Bakit po kami, nung nag-rekindle kami, nung 2017 ni na Sir Jan, bakit kami nag-join kay Sir Jan? Because we believe in his vision. At unti-unti nyo na po yung sinasabi at sinishare sa lahat po sa atin. With regards to the technology, online po tayo. So, yun po yung vision ni Sir Jan, and we know that you being part of this community or sa mga tao po na mga na-invite nyo to join our community, yun po yung magandang blessings po na mangyayari sa inyo pong buhay. Kagaya po na nangyari sa amin in 2009. Okay. Moving forward po, ito po yung natin, pag-aaralan natin ngayon. We are in the middle part of our presentations already. So, how to implement the ECQ in your finances? Every one of us, I believe, tayo po, gusto nating magkaroon ng extra income. Gusto natin because money is next to oxygen. Hindi po tayo after the money only, but we know that we can achieve everything also through the money that we have. Ang ECQ po sa Success Community is not enhanced community quarantine. So, ang ECQ po sa Success Community ay IPO is education package. Once you are enrolled in the Success Community, you will be educated with a lot of mga a lot of things na matututunan po natin, a lot of learnings. Because once you are part of the Success Community, you will be called a wisdom broker. Bakit po pa wisdom broker? Yung mga broker po para po siyang, di ba, mga sales person or mga affiliate. Because in this Success Community, being a wisdom broker, we will be taught on how to increase our cash flow. Paano po ba yon? They will be teaching us. Ito po yung maganda kasi being nagtatrabaho po, being part ng, siguro po marami na sa atin ng mga businessman, hindi po tayo naturuan talaga kung saan ba natin properly mailalagay yung pera natin para yung investment natin is mag-grow po yung money natin. But since you are part or you will be part of the community, the Success Community, we will be taught about the time deposits, the treasury bills, mutual funds, stock markets, forex, options trading, cryptocurrency trading, and actually ongoing na po siya. And yun po, as per Miss Wem, siya po ay na-encourage to join the Success Community because ang nakita niya pong training nung nagko-conduct po si Sir Jan is about the binary options trading, which po na kinoconduct po ni Chaplain Philip, one of our mentor din po sa Success Community, na itinuturo nyo po at kino-coach po tayo, libre na po, imagine niyo dyan. Imagine niyo po. And when you become part of the Success Community, tingnan niyo po itong mga nagtatap na to. Wala po silang idea about siguro pa ang iba may idea or iba wala, but mga nagtatap na po ang ating mga traders na tinuruan po ng mga nakaparte na po ng Success Community. You know them siguro po sa iba sa inyo, si Miss Nueva. Naturuan po siya. June lang po tayo nagsimula about this option trading. At marami na po talagang kumikita. Si Ma'am Weng, as you told, si Ma'am Judith siguro, or marami na po na kumikita sa ating options trading. Ito po siya. Tuturuan po tayo dito through the help of the mentors din po ng Success Community. So they are so generous in helping people to earn po the money from a different perspective po. So aside from that, ano pa po ba? In Success Community also, they will be teaching us on how to have a passive business income sources. Pag sinabi pong passive, kahit tayo po ay wala doon physically, kikita at kikita po tayo. So they will be teaching us about sa mga paintings, artworks, antiques, collector's items. Actually, when I found out this one, nang tinuro po ni Sir Jan Calub, parang na-realize po talaga naming mag-asawa na why are we spending too much money sa mga hindi naman namin napapakinabangan. So right now po, nagkaroon na kami ng idea, instead of us spending money sa mga hindi naman assets, so we will be finding ways now sa ano po natin, dito sa mga paintings natin. So we're starting na po to collect. sa real estate rental income, magkakaroon din po tayo ng mga real estate rental income dito sa Success Community, franchising. Sa mga tao po na gusto or may mga business na and they want to grow their business also, may mga mentors po tayo dito, may mga faculty members po tayo sa Success Community na magtuturo sa atin. Actually, yung top franchisor po na nagturo po sa atin, franchising guru po, nakapagturo na po siya and sa atin, and then continue lang naman po yon na magtuturo siya being part of the community and being part of Success Community. May mga low labor businesses din po na pinoprovide ang Success Community, and of course we do have e-commerce. Ano po ba yon? Ang mga commerce po, nasa na po tayo. Ito po yung mga commercial na po on how we can do the buy and sell, on how this is one part pa on how we can earn here in Success Community. Because continuous po yung pag-gather ni na Sir John Calub at ng mga management team natin on how they can share with us ng ano-ano po ba mga different sources or different ways on how we can earn money. Magkakaroon po tayo ng Success Gasoline Station, imagine that. Magkakaroon din po tayo ng Success Mart. Magkakaroon din po tayo ng Success Automated Car Wash. Imagine niyo po dyan, being part of the community, this is part of your passive income. Success Automatic Laundry Shop, wherein ito po ay dinidevelop na at i-release na po ito soon ni na Sir John, na kapag po may nagpa-laundry and part po kayo ng community, kayo po ay kikita. So they will be telling you on how to do that later on. Actually, they are also having the e-load system na sooner. So watch out po kayo sa marami pang mga sources ng income na ituturo sa atin through the Success Community. And of course, we are so happy and excited about the Success Community sa ating pong Success Mall. Imagine lahat po, when you are with Success Community, lahat po ay may success, di ba? Yung Success Mall po, this is the one-stop shop for the mind, body, and soul. And aside from that, para po tayo magkakaroon, ito po is ang idea po and then the vision po ni Sir John is magkakaroon po tayo ng Amazon type, Lazada type, and this one is Filipino owned and owned po to. At sa atin po ito, being part ng community. Sa mga tao din po, at meron po kayong mga business, you can be part, na ilalagay po natin yan sa ating Success Community, sa ating Success Mall. And it's operational na po. Makaka-enjoy na po tayo ng mga discount and rebates. Okay? Mapapansin niyo po sa screen, this is my my Success Mall. Magkakaroon po tayo ng e-commerce being part of this community. Imagine that. Okay? So, nakakapag-shopping na po kayo dyan. And aside from that, the very good news is once you shop in our Success Mall, magkakaroon na po tayo ng rebates. Ang rebates po natin is can be convertible to cash. And every now and then po, na ang mga taon, yung mga ka-team natin or may mga ma-encounter tayo ng mga shoppers, everyone loves to shop, di po ba? Magkakaroon din po sila ng rebates. Ang rebates po na yon ay makonvert po natin sa cash na po pwede po nating i-withdraw or po pwede po nating ipang-shopping. How good is that? Gusto niyo po bang idea na yon? Kasi I believe since pandemic, lahat po tayo ay into online shopping na. And the good news is we have here in Success Community, that is what we call the Success Mall. Just imagine po, ito po yung iba sa mga special or na makikita nyo po sa ating Success Mall. We do have the attraction perfume. Hindi lang po ito basta-basta perfume. This is scientifically may scientifically ingredients po dyan. Engineered po siya by science na ito pong attraction na to, meron pong nakakuha po ng parang permit si Sir John to market this one at makikita niyo po yan sa Success Mall. Ano po yung kaibahan niya sa mga current na perfume na ginagamit natin? It has the oxytocin at pheromones. Medyo scientific na po yan, pero ang ibig sabihin lang po niyan, once you have these attractions, actually we do have here in Dubai, once you have their attraction, at kapag po, imagine gold po, ayan. At kapag po nag-spray kayo niyan, should in case you have a presentations, should in case that you want to attract something more, mas madali po yan because of the social pheromones, yun po yung magkakaroon ng instant trust sa inyo po yung mga tao. 'Di ba? So, nakaka-excite yan. We are using that one already since it started. And siguro po maraming mga testimony na po na nakakatulong talaga na once you use that one, mas madali din po tayo makakapag-close ng deals because yung trust natin, trust ng tao sa inyo is madi-develop plus your trust in yourself. 'Di ba? Kasi minsan may self-doubt po tayo. So I suggest that you try that attraction. Available po 'yan sa ating mall. And so many things, lahat po ng kailangan natin, lahat po ng mga necessities na kailangan natin nasa mall na po 'yan. And the good news is once you shop in the mall, mas mura po siya sa mga groceries because drop shipping po tayo and you can and imagine that every now and then that you will be shopping, magkakaroon po kayo ng rebates or cashback na tinatawag. Okay. And Surgeon is always nag-continue po yung pag-source out po ni Surgeon para po mailagay po sa success community. Is it operational? Yes, it is. Operational na po ang success community natin. Just imagine po, ito po yung potential na income natin. This is just part of the income na po pwede po nating makuha being part of the success community. Imagine niyo po kapag po meron kayong 1,000 shoppers na nag-ano lang po, meron lang pong for pesos na rebates. Let's say po sa Attraction Perfume, bumili po yung mga teammates niyo Attraction Perfume, meron po siyang 4, meron po kayong teammates na umorder, isa lang po na product, imagine mo 4,000 na po yun monthly. What if you have 100,000 shoppers? And hindi lang naman po siguro one time lang ang bibili nila kapag nagsha-shop sila. Marami po. As per experience po, especially mag-grocery kayo, you will not be buying only one. For sure, you will be buying more. And imagine the potential income that is due to you. So, operational na po ba ang Success Mall? Yes, it is. Nakapag-shopping na po kami. Itong I Say Yes to Success na t-shirt na ano na po natin. Si Sir Antonio na narinig niyo po kanina and he will be also talking later on. Si Sir Antonio, top 2 wisdom broker po natin, our millionaires. Nag-shop na rin po siya. Actually, our shopping mall is operational already, but the version 3 of it, yung magkakaroon na po ng maraming products, is ongoing na po and hopefully before Christmas, it will be launched. So, we're so excited for that because with that alone, it will increase our cash flow. And aside from that, ano pa po ba? What it is in for you when you join or enrolled in our success community. Magkakaroon po kayo ng quality self-improvement, trainings, and products na po pwede nyo pong i-share sa mga teammates ninyo, sa mga kakilala ninyo. And this is one way or source of your potential income in success community. You will be having your money magnet workshop. Ito po yung inatinan namin since 2009. And imagine, for that one training alone, we paid 5,000 dirham. So 5,000 times 14 that time. So it's around 7,000 or 8,000 dirham, pesos already, 2009. Imagine that. Pero ano po yung naging balik niyan sa amin? Money magnet workshop. We will be having books also in that we can market in our shop. Okay, we do have many self-improvement products na nandoon po sa ating mall at na pwede po nating i-market. Yung attraction na perfume nandoon din po. And aside from that, yung mga trainings po na i-conduct po sa atin, we will be taught about effective goal setting, social media, franchising, nabanggit ko na po siya kanina, and marami pa po na mga self-development training na kailangan po nating lahat. I do appreciate talaga yung mga trainings na sinabi na naatinan namin at patuloy na inaatinan namin being part of this community kasi it helped us also to grow better and to be inspired to do more and to help more. So yun po. So here's some of the people na po na nag-train sa atin. Ito po ay mga part din po ng ating mga faculty members at sila po yung sinasabi natin ng mga real millionaires and billionaires na matuturuan po tayo. And imagine, if you are fond of attending trainings, magkano po ba ang pag-attend ng trainings? And this, ibinibigay po sa atin yan, mostly libre na po. Nagbabayad lang po tayo if ever it will be intensive, but it will be very economical din po. Ito po si Mr. Butch Bartolome, siya po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na top 1 franchise guru in the Philippines. Isa po yan sa nag-training na rin sa atin. At sooner on, if you want to franchise your business also, madali po tayo matutulungan yan. We do have also international mga trainers na nag-aano po sa atin, na nagtitrain sa atin. And these are some of the training po na mga naatinan natin, mga trainers natin. Imagine po, mga high quality po. Si Justin Pinion po, one of our mentors din po dito or faculty members. Siya po yung number 1 mentalist. Na-feature na rin po siya sa, nagkaroon din po siya ng program sa GMA 7. At si meron din po tayo, si Power 13, one of the mentors din po natin dito na nagtuturo po para ma-enhance yung self-development sa ating mga online, sa mga FB. Nandito po si Coach JP, si Coach Jocelyn at marami pa pong iba. Yan lang iba pa, ito po ay mga ilan lang sa mga nagtuturo sa atin, and imagine niyo po being part of this community, nakakakuha po tayo ng mga training. So, excited na po ba kayo sa mga bago? Siguro po I want to know kung na-excite po ba kayo sa mga posible nyong makuha being part of this community. Sa mga bago, may bago po ba tayo dito? Can I get a chat? Ayan. So, tingnan ko lang po yung chat natin. Hopefully, everyone is still okay. Okay. Yes, ang dami. Sobrang dami po. Nakaka-excite. So, ano po ba yung benefits natin? When you enroll and become part of this global mastermind community, you will be called a wisdom broker at magkakaroon po kayo ng self-improvement kit. When you enroll in this success community, hindi lang po kayo mag-i-enroll. You will be getting more para po magkakaroon po kayo ng self-improvement kit. Ano po ba yung included dito? Okay. Ang mga inclusion po dito is magkakaroon po kayo ng educational package. Ano po ba yung educational package na ibibigay sa inyo? Being part or kung mag-i-enroll po kayo sa amin, sa Success Community, you will be getting 10 tickets to our whole day training, how to become a money magnet workshop. Bayad po kami ng 8,000 pesos way back 2009. Okay? And imagine kapag po kayo ay naging initiate member ng Success Community, magkakaroon po kayo ng 10. 10 agad po ang ibibigay sa inyo. Okay. So, and aside from that, ang value po niyan is 80,000 pesos. Ang laki po. Ano po? Ibibigay po yan sa inyo. And aside from that, you will be given an energy and protection. Ito pong energy sticker, kagaya po na nakikita ninyo, this is an energy sticker na ibibigay sa atin being part of the community. Hindi lang po siya basically just an sticker para makilala kayo. Yan po is anti-radiation. Nakaka lower po siya ng radiation kasi most of us po ay talagang gumagamit na tayo ng mga gadgets. This is our life na. This is the new norms na everybody, pati mga kids natin gumagamit. So I suggest talaga na you put this sticker for them. So being part of the community, you will be giving 5 po ng stickers. And the value of that po is 1,500 pesos. So 80,000 na po plus 1,500, napakalaki po na value na yan para sa kit natin. And aside from that, there will be an inspiration and fashion. You will be given a 5 Success Community Authentic Energized Red String Bracelet. Imaginin po, ito po yung red string bracelet po natin. So being part of the community, when you enroll, ito po, this is what is in store for you once you join us. At hindi lang po yan basta red string, okay? Ang red string po natin is pininiwalaan na magbibigay sa atin ng protection, ng faith, mag-increase our faith, good luck, tapos yung po mga naiinggit, parang sa paniniwala po ng iba, this is my own absorption of what is this the red string is all about. But basically sa mga iba po na iba ang religion, this is basically to give you the fashion or an inspiration, but for us naniniwala po dito, it will give us ano po, it will give us a protection, especially po if some, because I came from the province Batangas. Normally kung mapapansin niyo po yung mga bata, di ba nilalagyan ng red something para po iwas usog. So parang I don't know if it's applicable still in the modern world, but yun po yung sinasabi natin. So yung red string bracelet po is throughout the history, yun na po, ginagamit na po. And we have that in Success Community. And this red string bracelet po is imported, coming from Israel pa po ito. So napakaganda na magbibigay po ito sa atin ng inspiration at aside from the fashion po, 'di ba? Maganda naman. And when you have like this, look at this price in Lazada, 16,774 po. At sino po ba yung mga tao na naniniwala at nagsusuot ng red string? So once you are part of the community, mapapabilang na rin po kayo sa mga actor and actresses in Hollywood. So ako po, feeling ko artista na ako, di ba? Nakita niyo po ba? Ang nagsusuot po at naniniwala sa red string, sina Leonardo DiCaprio, si Madonna, si Angelina Jolie, mga ito po ay sa internet, nakikita po natin talaga sila na nagwe-wear na po ng red string bracelet. So yan po is being part of the community. Okay, si Paris Hilton, imagine niyo po, gone were the days na mga gold na po ang wini-wear nila. They are also wearing red string. Britney Spears and many more. Kahit po si late Michael Jackson, makikita niyo po na red string. And if you will be familiar kay nakita ko nung isang araw, meron din po si Vice Ganda. Nakita ko lang siya nung nagbabrowse ako sa internet, nag-wear din siya. And si Maricel Soriano, nakita ko rin siya. So, why not, di ba? Kung naka-wear po kayo niyan, aside from you na mapoproteksyonan or magkakaroon ng inspiration, you will be part of the actor and actresses. Gusto niyo po ba yon? Mapapawaw po ba kayo? So yon. And aside from that, so many of our teammates na po, aside from the many options na po pwede nating magkaroon tayo ng mga cash flow, ng mga trainings, napaka-generous din po ng company natin because they are giving so much incentives. So when you help people to uplift their lives and be part of the success community, ang maganda po diyan, magkakaroon din po kayo ng ng mga incentives. Ito po is ilan sa mga movers and tribes po natin na naka-achieve na po ng tablet, and many more will be coming. Actually, this will be part of the one side only because the success po ng aming US team, wala pa po dito. So we have Miss Weng Castillo, siya po yung ating host for today. We do have Ma'am Larry, nasa one of our leaders and one of our leaders and top wisdom broker din po. Si Mr. Je, si Ma'am Mercy Montisilio, one of our top brokers, nandito rin po siya. And our newest tablet qualifier po, si Ma'am Judith Carla. Congratulations! Kanina lang po niya, naka-receive po siya kanina ng confirmation na tablet qualifier na po siya. We do have Raymond J. He is from Korea. Okay, leader po natin yung from Korea. We have also Zaima. He's from Dubai. Teammates po namin siya from Dubai. And so many people pa, we cannot reach out for more. So hopefully, if you are already a tablet qualifier, shout out nyo lang po sa group natin so that you will be acknowledged. Ganyan po ka-generous yung success community natin. Aside from the car incentive. So ang aming pong goal right now, everyone po will be a car incentive. So plus a weekly promo that you can join ng and later on, as per the announcement of surgeons, we will be having a game show wherein everyone will be having a chance to win prizes para po siyang wawawin. Tama ba ako? So yun po, ito po yung iba sa mga naka-achieve na ng mga promos natin here in the Middle East. So Cheryl, you're telling me that there's a lot of it na benefits being part of the success community. So paano ba mag-join? Ano ba yung kailangan kong gawin? Imagine niyo po, this is the summary of what is included in the Initiate training kit na ibibigay sa inyo once you enroll. 5 Energize stickers is 1,500. 5 imported red string is 5,000. 10 money magnet tickets workshop tickets is already 80,000. So 86,500 pesos na po yon. Plus, you will be having a private Facebook group access, live and online mentoring session, discounts. This will be more of what it is in for you when you join the Success Community. The total value of this one is 127,000 pesos. Plus po, yung 86,500 ng total value of the Initiate Self-Improvement Kit na ibibigay sa inyo once you enroll in our community. How much po yon? Ang total po niya is 214,500 pesos na po. Imagine nyo dan. So siguro magtatanong kayo, Cheryl, masyado namang mahal yan. Sobrang laki niyan. So how much would be really the enrollment for Success Community? This is the value that you will be getting. But look at this. How much po ba ang Success Community? Is it 214,000? Sorry, hindi po. Magkano po ba? Kalahati po ba ng 214,000? Is it 100,000? Grabe po, no? Hindi rin po. The Success Community is so generous. Is it 5,000? Sorry, hindi rin po. Imagine. Once you become part of the Success Community, ang enrollment po sa pioneering student like you at sa lahat po na mag-join before, okay, November 30 na lang po is 5,000 pesos plus shipping fee. So, let's look forward for for this amazing opportunity to join up to November 30 because on December 1 it is announced already that it will be 6,500. But do not be malungkot, do not be sad na magiging 6,500. The higher po it is, the higher also the kit that will be given to you at the higher the incentives, the higher the rewards that you will be getting. So being part of the community, please, we still have 4 days to go on with this 5,000. Imagine nyo dyan, ano po yung value being part of this community? 214,000. Pero alam niyo po yung wisdom na makukuha nyo, sa amin po 2009, we already paid 8,000 pesos. 2009 pa po yun. Nasaan na po tayo? 11 years na po. After, it's only 5,000. So this is a giveaway of our Success Community. So we encourage you to join us. So yun po. And be part of the masterminding group na lagi po naming sinasabi sa inyo. Kasi you will be having the two options lang naman po dyan. Number 1 is be part of the community group wherein you will be entitled to a lot more rewards, a lot more incentives, plus the masterminding group na hindi nyo po talaga siya mabibili ng pera. Once you are involved with the positive-minded people like you na magtutulungan po tayo, nakakagaan po ng feeling. Because in Success Community, it's not only money. It is about the group po ng tao. Kasi siguro naman po mapapansin ninyo na most of us naman po is kumikita na, most of us po is may mga business pa. But why we still join? Success Community because we know the vision and we have the passion to help others na magkaroon din po ng positivity sa buhay nila. Kasi if lahat po ng tao will be focusing po sa pag-uplift ng buhay ng tao, siguro po lahat tayo is magiging masaya. Tama po ba ako? So, what will you lose naman po if you will not take action now? Walang magandang pagbabago na mangyayari sa kinikita mo forever. Kasi kung ano po yung ginagawa nyo, same-same lang po yan. Sa Dubai, same-same. With the world, same-same. Pare-parehas lang po kayo, wala po kayong gagawin. Wala din po magbabago sa buhay natin forever. So, kung puro negative pa rin po makakasama mo at pabigat sa buhay, magiging negative tayo. Imagine po, we are the product of the five people po na lagi nating kasama araw-araw. So if you are surrounded by the people na puros negative, trust me, magiging negative din po kayo. By why not na mag-surround po kayo ng people dito po sa ng mga puros positive. Trust me, magiging positive din po kayo. Kaya po yung mga businessman, mga mayayamang tao, nagma-mastermind po sila with the mayayamang tao din to get an advice. Tama po? So yun po yung natin, gusto natin mangyari sa inyo sa Success Community. Ang buhay mo ay lilipas sa mundo na walang kabuluhan and wala ka pa ring positive legacy na may iwan for others to forever remember you. So your choice, so ang choice po is sa inyo. Would you like to be part of us? We encourage you to do so. Kasi po dito, minsan lang po tayo mabubuhay, but hopefully, we can leave a legacy. Yung legacy po na maaalala po tayo ng mga kakilala natin, na isa ka po sa nakatulong sa kanila to uplift their lives for better. So yun po. So we welcome you to our growing community. We are the Movers and Shakers Tribe. Ako po si Cheryl Bautista, and with of course my partner and my husband, and to all the movers and tribes around the world, to all the success community members. We are not only Movers and Shakers Tribe here. Thank you so much for listening to me, Miss Weng. I'm done. And hopefully, if you have questions, please feel free po.
Wow, thank you, Coach. Thank you. Yeah.
Yes, yes. May natutunan po ba tayo ngayon?
Ang dami nun, Michelle.
Ano nga ako, ma'am? Ang dami.
Grabe. Excited ba ang lahat? Di
Did you
ba?
learn something po?
Grabe, no? Alam niyo yung 5,000 pesos, ano lang yun? Dati nga, di ba, Michelle, tama yun eh. 8,000 yung mga seminars ni Sir John noon. Talagang uma-attend tayo. Sabi ko nga kanina, nakadalawang seminar ako ni Sir John noon. Pero babalik at babalik, mabilis talaga bumalik once na member ka ng success community.
Amazing po yung mga na-achieve na namin, di ba, ma'am? Tunay po yan. Kumbaga, we are not here to hype people, but we are here to inspire. Hindi, yung pong mga achievements namin, hindi po yan binayaran to just for you to be able to see. Yun po talaga ay na-achieve namin. And Ma'am Mercy Montisilio, she's from Cavite. She's been in UAE. Classmate ko po siya 2009. So I'm so proud na ka-member ko rin po siya sa Success Community.
Yes, yan. Alam mo yung maganda dito, yung mga dating mga estudyante ni Sir John, nadidiscover na bumabalik at bumabalik talaga kay Sir John na nagpapaturo pa rin, nagpapa-mentor pa rin sa kanya kasi talagang pagka naturuan ka ni Sir John, ibang klase talaga.
There will be a lot of mentors around the world, Ma'am Weng, just to add on. Iba po talaga pag si Sir John. You will always, kasi iba talaga tinuturo niya. The applications talaga itself, kasi I have attended so many at mas matataas pa ang price, if you will be attending so many trainings. Si Ma'am Stella from Migote from Singapore, nag-attend siya ng training ni T. Hav Ecker sa Singapore. Alam niya kung magkano, napakalaki ng binayaran niya. But ako, bumabalik-balik pa rin talaga kami kay Sir John.
Correct. That's the essence talaga of having the training of Sir John, di ba? Ang laking tulong pala po. Ang laking tulong po talaga sa atin po in terms of hindi lang yung pansarili, at the same time on how you will help din talaga yung ibang tao di ba po? Kaya yun talaga yung legacy natin na mas magandang iiwan And at the same time, tinaman naman, hindi talaga nahinto si Sir John po to help people din, di ba? So yun yung pinaka-importante, yung continuously helping people din, kasi hindi mo rin talaga alam kung sino pa yung pwede mong matouch ang lives dito na mabago rin talaga yung buhay by the help of Sir John, and at the same time of this success community po talaga. Kaya we are really open po